time at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a strong thunderstorm 13 miles southwest of Morristown, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hail up to 1/2 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning, which is in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. The blowing dust advisory is no longer in effect. Affected area, northwest and north-central Pinal County, including the Interstate 10 and Interstate 8 corridors near Casa Grande. Timing, until 9 p.m. Winds, 30 to 40 miles per hour. Visibility, down to 1/4 of a mile. Impacts, visibilities will drop suddenly, resulting in hazardous travel conditions. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway, or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible, and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off, and keep your foot off the brake pedal. Remember, pull aside, stay alive. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio KC94.